Hello everybody, Leon here. Today we'll be playing Nameless Cat. Yo, that's so cool. By Kotobo, I don't know. I'm not sure if this is, never mind. Oh! Oh, just look. Okay, it's alright. Oh, this seems pretty easy though. What do? Do I like try to touch it? Wait, what? Eh! Oh! Very cool. I'll take that, I guess. I don't know. Telepathy. I can hear now. Now to. Oh, I forgot the caretaker. Little white orbs. Okay. Then we need to collect the thingy, right? Let's go. So little white orbs. Oh, like that. So that little white orb. Cool. Just skip, please. Alright. No double jump. What does this button do? Yo, that's epic. Yo. Oh. Okay, there's a nice form of transportation. Wait, because it's a gravestone, are we dead? She kind of looks ghosty, I guess. Oh, I know what to do. Alright. That was pretty easy. Whoop. Alright. How do I get that? Yo! Cat died. How unfortunate. It's gonna be alright. Just gotta do all this parkour, then do it again, right? I just messed up, didn't I? Okay. Teleport here. I can't miss this. Yes, let's go. Yes, sir. Oh, we can push this. It's pushable, I guess. It's epic. Alright. Except I only pushed it a little bit and I still made it. It's cool, right? Yo, come back. I see the little white orb thingy. Whoop! Let's go. Alright. Enter church. Spikes of doom. Hooray. Yo, is that a cross? What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! No! Ah! Jump! Oh! Last moment, yo. That was epic. Alright. Now it's the teacup thingy. Obviously it isn't a teacup, but I don't know what it is either. Oh! That just made my life easier. Oh, an octopus! Hey kitty, look at your tiny legs. I missed the thingy. I need to get the thingy. No, good. So now I need to do all this, like, this parkour again, I guess. Well, I'd say it's pretty easy. Just gotta jump here, teleport here, go here. Yes! Overall, this is pretty easy, honestly. Just Gotta jump here. Nice. Yes, I need it, of course. Is my game lagging? Console. It's taking forever. Oh, it's alright. I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna die, aren't I? Yo! Yo! What is this? What is it, like a landmine or something? What? What? Oh. Oh, and then you need the block to like do the thingy and stuff. I need the block to go here. Yes! Yes! And winner chicken dinner. Alright. Trap. What the what? Huh. What if I stay here? Will it just kill me? Oh, that's efficient. Run! Let's go. What? Oh. Forgot about the trap part. Yo! Yo! Let's go. Oh! I'm gonna jump it. This seems easier. Go! Go! Ah! I got so close though. Go! That's a weird pattern. Go! Oh, it's a cute little thing. My name is Nora. And then big camera. And then go down with snow. Trapped by the deadly traps and monsters. Sure, hunting us with animals. Monsters you can do. Alright. Oh my god. I need to make that free. One point or another. Yeah! Yeah! Then you just die. I think that's the worst way to die. Hop. Yo! Yo! Let's go. Okay. And I can pretty much just... Oh, when I die, do I need to collect the thingy again? Yo, no! I need to collect the thing. Yeah, I really need a checkpoint. Who cares? Yo! Hup. 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 I don't got the... Alright. That would be really hard if I didn't know the trick. I'm sorry. Yes, I do. Is my internet even on? It's on. It's just... Oh my god. So how am I supposed to get that without dying? So I need to do it. Oh my god. Alright, time to die, I guess. This starting to get easier. Or maybe not. Dude. How come those ads keep on appearing but never the ads, the video ads? Yo! Chillax. Jump! Yes! Yeah! Oh! Imagine if I lost right there. I would be so mad. Let's go! White orb, let's go. More trap. Hey! Look at that. That's a But maybe there's something up here, or maybe it's. Oh! Hop! No! 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 Okay. Oh, so we need to block the pass, don't we? Please, please, please. Okay. I need this. Thank you very much, sir. Whoop, whoop. And we obviously don't go down through there. That is a death trap. Now we just make it, I guess. Woo! Hi, octopus. I mean, ah! That was such a girly scream, honestly. Go over the edge. I go here. I grab this random thing. I still don't know what that is. Is that like catnip or something? I don't know. Not sure. And don't care too. So that is a booby trap. I see. Yo! Hi. You know. I bet that later on in the story he'll become a villain. Yo! What's up? Yo, what's up? Let's go. You gotta be kidding me, right? Let's go! Jump! Get me to the cross. Okay, oh no, how do I get out there? Might not. How do I get? Oh, maybe you just gotta do the parkour. Care about this stuff later. Oh my god. Yo! Guess we'll just wait for it. Duh, my ride, my Uber, my something. No, I'm joking. I need this. Okay, so I guess I need the block to. Yep. I need that block to open up the thingy, and then I also need the other thingy, I guess. Not sure. Yeah, the block thing should be here, right? Yo, who is that? Will it kill me? Oh, thanks. Bye-bye. Yes, sir. Then we went up here, right? Yeah, I pretty much got everything. But what's in the red gate? I think it's probably just a trap. Let's go. Yo, what's that? Wait, is that a cross but a block? Dude, okay. Is that a bullet? Did I just see a bullet? It's a bullet. Oh! Alright. Okay. 30 minutes is a long. Wait, can I possess the block to move it? No? Okay. 13 minutes is already a long time, honestly. I just gotta hope that the music isn't copyright. Yee! Ah! Oh! Okay, I'll stop at 15. I think that's acceptable. Push! Let's go. Go! Jump! Ah! Dude, why does the super deals ad keep on appearing? What if I try to cheat? I'm gonna play Blox Fruits with my friend. I'm getting kind of bored. Yo! Yeah! Yep, I'm totally done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one. See you later.